We're out here in the river, and Jacob went in an undisclosed location in Mexico, and we're about to go ride. So this river's pretty wide, but we're gonna get these things in the water.
Hello there.
I'm surprised it ran as long as it did. Piss.
You got an eagle?
Yeah, I did. I got it on video. Gosh darn it, guys. I broke a hose clamp. Running it back with a broken hose clamp. Shallow. It's shallow. Shallow. We made it back. All right, we're taking the hose clamp off of the intake of the truck because we need to ride. We've got a whistle. The truck clamp didn't work. We're gonna go around again.
Oh, girl.
That's so we can go ride. Big Ride is gonna try. There's the trestle. Oh. This is sick. Holy. Alright, now right after this, Jacob decided to get stuck in the weeds in a channel, and he was getting followed by snakes, he was getting leeches on him, and my GoPro was dead. So I missed it all. There's a little bit of it here, but I wish I had that on video. I'm sorry to disappoint you guys. We're out here in the river, and Jacob went in the